Hi, grade 1 Emirati syllabus. Today, I will go to explain the seventh week, which is means of transportation or how we travel. Okay. Today this video we learn the means of transportation. But before I will go to our unit today, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel. This is my channel sending you new videos. Let's go to our lesson today. Okay, this video for grade 1 Emirati syllabus third term. Okay, let's go to our lesson today. In this video, we learn the ways to travel. Okay, so here I talk about here in this unit, I talk about the means of transports. Okay, car, bus. We have many kinds of transportation, which is what is the means of transportation that we use when we travel or when we go from place to place. We have car, we have bus, bike, plane, train, taxi, and boat. I will repeat again: car, bus, bike, plane, train, taxi, boat. I would like to have a pencil and paper and write these words. Okay, let's go to another item here. Here we talk about, here we say how many sounds we hear in this word. We have car, we have here two sounds. Car, this is two sounds. Okay, the second one. Here we have bus. Here we have how many sounds? One, two, three. Three sounds. Bus. So here I talk about what about phonics or pronunciation when we pronounce the word. Here we have car. So we have two sounds. Here we have bus. Three sounds. Let's go to another one. Here is what boat. Three sounds. Boat. Three sounds because A, O, and A pronounced as one letter. Boat. So here we have three sounds. Let's go to another one. Train, four sounds. Train, one, three, T. R, this is the second sound. AR, train, this is the third, and this is the fourth. So here we have four sound in the word train. Let's go to another one. Plane, we have here plane, okay? So we have plane, but here we don't have a plane. So we say, where is the plane? Show me the train. Where is the bike? Let's go to answer to continue the rest of the unit. So I would like to say the proposition that we use when we talk about transports, it will be by. We use the proposition by with means of transports, like this one, Here we say, I go by car. We use by to say how to travel. So here we have this called the proposition by that used by means of transport. I go by car. Let's go to another one. I go by bus. I go by bus. So I repeat and repeat after me. I go by car. I go by bus. So here we have I go by car. Here is car. I go by bus. I write here car. Here is say I go by car. I go by bus. I go by train. I go by bike. I go by train. I go by bike. I will repeat and repeat after me. I go by bike. I would like to repeat after me, okay? I would like to make your lesson funny to be able to follow me in this video. Here we say, I go by car. I go by bus. I go by train. I go by bike. I go by car. I go by bus. I go by train and go by bike. Let's go to another item. So here we say he goes by car. So here we use the tense in simple tense. We talk about this simple tense later because I don't know to go in this tense here because I think you don't take the tenses. Later, when we took the present simple, we know that the present simple expressing the habits, and we know that the singular pronouns take s. Okay, this we know it later. Okay, so here we say he goes by car. Why? Because he here is singular, and the verb that comes after this verb must have s, like this one. He will say he goes by car. She goes by car. She goes by car. Here we say he goes by car, but she not goes by car, goes by bus. Here is we have a mistake here. This is not car, this is bus. He goes by bus. Okay, we have a mistake here. School by bus. Let's go to another one. He goes by car. I go by car. He goes. I go. So here we say he goes by car. It's wrong. This is wrong. Why? Because as we told you that the singular he must take as like this one. So this is the correct one. He goes by car. She goes by car, or she goes by bus. You say she goes by bus, not by car. Let's go to another one. We go by car. Both we go by car. So let's go. They go by bus. So we say here, I go by. So here we say I go by car. He goes by bus. We go by train. They go by bus. So here they go by bus. So here say, I will repeat and repeat after me. I go by car. I go by car. He goes by bus. He goes by bus. We go by train, and they go by train. I would like to say that he, she, it. When we talk about the singular, I put s to the verb, like this sentence. Okay, like we say here goes. So here this singular take s. So I have another pronouns I, you, we, and they. Don't take s. Okay, you, are, you, they. Don't take s. Okay, don't take s. These pronouns don't take s to the verb. Okay, so when we talk about the verb, I talk about the verbs, the simple tense that take s. He, she, it take s. Are, you, we, they don't take s. Later, when we took the when we will later when we learn the simple tense, I explain the formula of this tense and how we use it in the sentence. Okay, but not now. Okay, now I would like to know that the singular nouns he, she, it take s, or are, you, we, they don't take s. You must know this now. Okay, so how do you go to school? I go school. Say here any means of transport. Say okay. So here we say it first. I go. So say here I go by. I say by bus, or by car, or by bike. We can write the means of transport that we use it when we go to any place, or when we travel to any place. Let's go. He goes by. Say here he goes by bus, or he goes by car, or he goes by bike. Okay. Let's go. Let's hear in this part we learn the means of transport. Here we say. Here we say, I go by car, I go by bus, I go by train, I go by bike. Okay, let's go to another one here. Here is car, bus, bike, plane, taxi, boat, and train. I go by car, I go by car. He goes by bus, we go by train, they go by bus. Okay, let's go to another one here. Here is the pictures discussing a story about the means of transport. I will leave to you to do it by yourself. Let's go to the reading part here. Ahmed and Hisa go to school. Ahmed and Hisa are friends. They live near the school. It's morning. They are getting ready for school. Ahmed goes by car. His dad drives the car. Hisa goes by bus. She sits on the bus. So I think Hisa is I can't know Hisa is a girl or a boy, but when we use the pronoun she, I know that is a girl, not a boy. Hisa goes by bus. She sits on the bus. They travel in different ways. Ahmed sees a big train. The train goes fast. Hisa sees the boat in the water. The boat goes slow. Soon they arrive at school. Ahmed gets out of the car. Hisa gets off the bus. They meet at the school gate. So here we have questions related to this text. Let's do it together. Where are Ahmed and Hisa going? So when we ask about the place, I use where. We use where what? For what? For asking about the places. We use where to ask about the place. Let's answer this question together. So they are going to school. So this is the place that we go. How does Ahmed go to school? So here I ask about what? About the means of transport. about the means of transport that we use it, of means of transport that we use to go to the place, that they want to go. So here we say he goes by what? By car. Let's go to another one. How does Isa go to school? By bus. Ahmed goes to school by car, and Isa goes to school by bus. Where do they meet? They meet at what? At the school gate. Okay, they meet at the school gate. Let's continue the rest of the exercise, or the rest of the unit. Okay, not the rest of the exercise, the rest of the unit. Here we say, I go to school by bus. Here we say, I go to school by bus. So here we write here, we draw here a bus and say, I go to school by bus. So another one can, I would like to do it by yourself. You can say, I go to school by car. So you can draw a car like this one. Or can go to by car, or go to by bike. If you want to go to by bike, can draw the bike. Okay, this is the practicing of imagining the transport that we use it to go to the school. So you can draw it here and write, I go by bus, I go by car, I go by I go by bus, I go to by car, or I go by bike. If you want, if you say I go by car, can draw a car. If you say I go by bike, can draw a bike. By this item, we end from our video. I hope to benefit and enjoy our video today. I'm happy to teach you this video, and this video is very interesting, and I'm enjoying teaching this lesson. I hope to benefit and enjoy our video today. Thanks a lot. Until we meet again. Goodbye.